Hello guys, support us and subscribe to our channel, give likes and write comments. Today we will read Life's Sparkling Wonder. Well, let's get started. Once upon a time, in a small village, nestled in the heart of a lush forest, there lived a young girl named Sophia. Sophia was a curious and adventurous child, always eager to explore the world around her. She spent her days climbing trees, splashing in the streams, and discovering new and exciting things in the forest. One day, while wandering deep in the woods, Sophia stumbled upon a beautiful, sparkling crystal. She picked it up and held it up to the light, marveling at the way it caught the sun's rays and cast them back in a dazzling array of colors. Sophia knew in that moment that she had found something truly special. From that day on, Sophia carried the crystal with her wherever she went, treasuring it like a precious gem. She would spend hours gazing into its depths, lost in the wonder of its beauty. As Sophia grew older, she began to understand the true value of the crystal. It wasn't just a pretty object, but a symbol of the beauty and wonder that existed all around her. She realized that life itself was a precious gift, full of wonder and magic, and that it was her duty to cherish and appreciate it every day. Sophia started to look at the world with different eyes. Every day she would find something new and exciting, a butterfly's wing, a dewdrop on a leaf, a colorful pebble. She started to collect these small treasures and put them in a little box, where she would look at them every evening before going to sleep. Sophia grew up to be a wise woman, respected and loved by the people in her village. She always had a kind word and a smile for everyone, and her love for life was contagious. Sophia would often take children from the village for walks in the woods, showing them the beauty of nature and teaching them to appreciate the simple things in life. She would also share her little box of treasures with them, showing them how even the smallest things can bring joy. Sophia lived a long and happy life, filled with joy and love for the world and all its wonders. She never forgot the lesson she learned from her crystal, to always see the beauty in the world and to appreciate the gift of life. Even when she got old and could no longer walk in the woods, she would sit on her porch and watch the world go by, still finding beauty in the smallest things. Her love for life was an inspiration to all who knew her, and her memory will be cherished forever. This story reminds us that we should appreciate the beauty and wonder in the world around us, and to cherish the gift of life every day. We should never stop exploring and discovering new things, and we should always look for the beauty in the small things, because that's what makes life worth living. Let us all learn from Sophia and make our lives a treasure box of beautiful memories. After Sophia passed away, The villagers decided to build a small garden in her honor. The garden was filled with all the beautiful flowers and plants that Sophia loved, and in the center of the garden they placed a large crystal, similar to the one Sophia had found in the woods so many years ago. The crystal was placed on the pedestal, and around it they planted a ring of small flowers and plants. Sophia's little box of treasures was also placed in the garden as a way to remember her and the lessons she taught. The garden became a popular spot for the villagers, especially for the children. They would often visit the garden, play around the crystal, and explore the box of treasures. They would also learn about Sophia's life, her love for nature, and her appreciation for the beauty of the small things. Many of the children started to explore the woods more often, looking for small treasures of their own, and started to learn about the different plants and animals that lived there. The garden was not only a reminder of Sophia, but also a place for inspiration. Many people found new perspectives and started to see the world differently. Some would start to collect small treasures like Sophia did, and others would start to take regular walks in the woods. The village was filled with a new spirit of love and appreciation for life, and it all began with Sophia's legacy. Years passed, the village grew and changed. New houses were built, and new people came to live in the village. But the garden remained a constant, a sanctuary where people could go to remember Sophia and to find inspiration. The crystal continued to sparkle in the sunlight, and the little box of treasures continued to be a source of wonder. The garden became a place where people would come to relax, to reflect, and to find peace. Many people would come to the garden to meditate, to read a book, or to have a picnic. Sophia's love for life and her appreciation for the beauty of the small things will be remembered and cherished by the village for generations to come. The garden was not only a testament to Sophia's life, but also a reminder for the village of the importance of cherishing and appreciating the beauty of the world around us. The garden was a symbol of hope, of love, and of inspiration, and it will continue to be a place where people can come to find peace and to remember Sophia's legacy. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.